Alright, I finally got my Trem screams. Finally got them. I've been wanting to do those for over 15 years. Oh yeah. Now I gotta learn more about the 8-finger tapping. That I'm not good at. But I just mastered the Trem Screaming. So you do a harmonic. It's pretty fun. So I've watched for years people on YouTube teaching a method that just sounds like crap. They say dump the bar, and they say to try this, something like this. That's okay. Not so good. Let's do it the proper way. Something that sounds more professional, like you've heard from Joe Satriani, Steve Vai, Van Halen, and other metal players. So which method sounds better? That one that they teach you on YouTube, which is which takes a lot more effort to do and it sounds like crap. Or you can go the proper way. sounds more reliable. There's a 5th fret that you normally put your fingers on to play notes. Well, you actually do it above the fret wire on the G string, and you just hover your finger barely over the string. When you pluck it, it'll vibrate and it'll touch the string barely. That method works better, and I think that's what the pros do. After watching Steve Vai and some other people do it, that's how they do it. They don't do the dump the bar, flick the string, and then pull back on it. That sounds like crap, and it's unreliable. It's so hard to pull off. See how many times I pull off the proper screaming. Essentially, what you're doing is an artificial harmonic to create a sound, and then you're controlling its behaviors with the string tension that's altered by the Floyd Rose double locking tremolo. Yeah, I've been wanting to do that for over a decade, and now I finally did it tonight. And now it's Friday, very early in the morning, just after midnight, 12:16 a.m., Friday, July 19th, 2019, and I finally did it. I was sitting right here on the arm of this couch, talking to my buddy Tommy on Skype through my Amazon Echo show, just playing around. And what did I do, Tommy? I figured out how to properly Trem Scream, didn't I?
I would say so.
Let's hear it. You want to hear it again, Tommy?
Yeah, Tommy?
Yeah.
Now this is the method that Joe Satriani uses very often. He'll hit an open G, and he'll try to touch it just right. Now, Steve Vai and others like Van Halen use this method. Now, it's a little misleading to say that I got 24 years experience at playing guitar, because I did start in February of 1995. That's true. I played about every day, all the way up until about 2000. And then I went in the Army for a little while, came out of the Army, picked up the guitar, did some recording as a hobby. Played a little bit in bands, but not much, because my music is very different from what others like to play. I'm too lazy to learn other people's songs. I just make up my own stuff. Whatever I hear in my head, or feel in my heart, or whatever. But anyway, yeah, like my friend Tommy says, I listen to a lot of Steve Vai and some other stuff, Van Halen, some Joe Satriani. I listen a little bit to Dream Theater and some other stuff. And I got this Jackson Pro Series soloist, SL2QNAH, in the Caribbean Blue Fade with DiMarzio Evolution humbuckers, both bridge and neck, with a push-pull pot and a tone to do coil tap. So now it splits the coils and makes each one of them a single coil. So now this one functions like a single coil. Push in the pot, now it's a humbucker. Pull out the pot and it's a single coil. Same thing on any of these. Bought this from Sweetwater in early July 2019. I had them take out the original factory pickups and put in DiMarzio Evolution pickups. This is the third guitar that I've had DiMarzio Evolution humbuckers in. I love the way they sound. I'm addicted to them. I'm sure there's other good pickups out there. I keep going with these because I never get tired of them. Beautiful sounds you can get out of this. We got a mahogany body, quilted maple top wood, maple neck, ebony fretboard, real actual authentic Floyd Rose double locking tremolo. All this is so good. It's a $1,000 guitar. It had $160 worth of pickups put in it and $150 worth of custom electronics labor put into it to get it the way I want. Doing the no interest financing with their card. Love this TC Electronics Uniclip or Unitune clip guitar tuner. Very much worth the money, and works on vibration through the headstock. These are only $30. They are well worth the money. I'd probably pay $40 for it because it's just such a good tuner. But yeah, my name's Christian Naugle. Hopefully you enjoy my music. My friend Tommy is encouraging me to record more. Maybe some people want me to teach them stuff, but I do have to relearn the guitar. But anyway, till next time. Thanks for watching.